Okay, so as I look at problem number 43, there's several different ways you can go about solving it. First thing, since it's multiple choice, let's take a look at the answers. The answers all have the ln in there and the physical numbers of 2 and 4 in there. So first, that lets me know that I don't want to rewrite the equation as, like, on the right-hand side, 1/4 can be rewritten, 1/4 can be rewritten as 2 to the negative 2. All right, because again, since I see the 4 in there, that means we don't need to do that to help us find that, to find the which one does it work out to be as a logarithm. What we're going to do is we're going to say, let's start off saying, since they want us to do ln, then we're going to do ln of both sides as opposed to doing log. So we'll do the ln of both sides. All right, so there's my first step. Now what I want to do is let's rewrite, since it says the ln of 4 and not 1/4, let's rewrite the right-hand side as 1/4 can be rewritten as 4 to the negative 1 power. So we'll rewrite the left side the way it is. Keep all that stuff there. Then this just becomes ln of 4 to the negative 1 is what that becomes. Now we get to apply the power property with logarithm, which means an exponent gets to come down out in front as a coefficient. So this exponent gets to come down, and the negative 1 next to gets to come down as an exponent. So that gives me 7 plus 3x times the ln of 2. Now, don't multiply that in. Leave it the way it is, because remember, all of our answers have ln of 2 in it. So let's leave it like that. If you distribute it, it ends up making us do more work than we have to. When I distribute when I bring the negative 1 down front, it becomes negative ln of 4. All right, so now we can say, all right, let's divide off. We got to get to the x by itself, so we divide off the ln of 2. And then that now gives me, as those cancel, that gives me 7 plus 3x without parentheses equals negative, and then ln of 4 over ln of 2. All right, so now I can start taking out answer choices. Since I see that the ln of 2 is in the bottom, C cannot be an answer choice, and A cannot be an answer choice because they have the ln of 4 in the bottom. So I know it's got to be either B or D. And then now we can just carefully go through and say, all right, let's get x by itself. So subtract the 7. It goes in behind it. So we have 3x equals negative ln of 4 over ln of 2, and then minus 7. All right, again, we could actually pick the answer, but we'll keep following through. The next thing I got to do is divide everybody by 3. And so the 3's cancel, and I get x equals negative. The 3 in the bottom actually becomes now 3 times the denominator there. So it's ln of 4 over 3 ln of 2, and then minus 7/3. And that allows us to pick, it's got to be B for an answer choice. And again, the reason why the 3 can go on the bottom and be the coefficient, if we look at it kind of slowly, it is negative ln of 4 over ln of 2 divided by 3. And then with keep, change, flip, we would say negative ln of 4 over ln of 2 times 1/3. And then that now allows us to put the 3 in the front of the ln. So then it's negative ln of 4 over 3 ln of 2. All right, so that's how we're able to officially do it mathematically through some steps. I just cut off a few. So again, I hope that helps.